For off-roaders looking to go further off the grid, Ford today is debuting the new 2022 Ford Bronco registered trademark Everglades Trademark Special Edition, an SUV born to breathe when the air gets thick and designed to press on when the trail turns others around. For decades, Bronco SUVs have traversed remote locations with GOAT goes over any type of terrain mentality. Bronco Everglades, available as a four-door model, takes that spirit to the next level with confidence-building, factory-installed features such as a snorkel, integrated front bumper-mounted winch, and all the off-road equipment in the Bronco Sasquatch trademark package. Bronco customers like to explore new places, but some want to go even further off the trail than others, said Jolanta Coffey, Bronco chief engineer. Everglades is specially equipped to enable these customers to tackle even more challenging terrains and trails, and with the front bumper-mounted winch, they can help others out of trouble while they're at it. Bronco Everglades introduces a classic ** signature snorkel. Designed and engineered by Ford, the snorkel, which runs up the passenger side A-pillar, optimizes vehicle performance in dust, snow, and water by raising the engine air intake above nasty trail conditions. Its design uses two easy-to-swap plates to change the direction of the inlet based on trail and weather conditions. For situations when Bronco Everglades or another vehicle needs extra traction beyond what the tires and engine can provide, a heavy-duty modular front bumper by Ford Performance with ZEON10S Warren registered trademark winch featuring 10,000 pound capability and a 100-foot synthetic line is ready to help. Everglades also comes standard with a protective safari bar, rock rails, and the same steel bash plates found on Black Diamond trademark and Badlands trademark Bronco models. A unique carbonized gray grille with gloss black Bronco lettering enhances its functional appearance. The Sasquatch package features 17-inch carbonized gray painted alloy wheels with 35-inch Goodyear mud-terrain tires. Additional exterior appointments include rock rails to protect the lower sills, plus a molded-in color hardtop and roof rack with crossbars.